Hey everyone, it's your girl Sally and I'm back. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but a lot has happened and I wanted to go ahead and let you guys know that I will be uploading content daily and for sure weekly. So those of you that have stayed with me throughout the years, thank you so much. And those of you that are new, welcome to my channel where I provide a lot of information in regards to internet marketing, affiliate marketing, what's out there, and things that I've personally used myself, tested, and have stood the test of time and that are still valid programs today. So today's topic of conversation is how to make $200 a day with internet marketing. Now, there's a lot of programs out there that you can use, and there's a lot of ways that you can make $200 a day. Now, and that may not seem like a lot in today's world, but there's a lot of people that are still not even making 30 grand a year salary, which is very unfortunate. So they're gonna need some, a side hustle. And this is something that you can start part-time and it can lead to full-time employment, and it can lead to a very lucrative career that's very easy to do, very duplicatable, and you can teach it. Okay. So I'm going to talk about this one program that I have been involved with for several years and has been around for more than 10 years and is still active, relevant today, and it continues to produce consistent money for everyone that's still involved. And what I love about this program and this company is that they have a back office. So not only do you get in and you can use the program and make money with it, but it makes you look like professional. There is a back office where you can have HTML coding, you can have banners, advertisement, you can talk to your leads, you can communicate with them all professionally in the back office. So I don't know of any other program in internet marketing, unless you create it yourself, that automatically comes with a professional back office. So this is one of the major reasons why I like to promote this program, and also because it's been here for a very, very long time. There have been other programs that I've been associated with that have died out. And those of you that were in my journey and in my era of when Empower Network was around, where are they today? Project Payday was such a relatively easy, click per cost or click per action program, gone today. So, as the time goes on, as new, competition knocks out other things, as, the rules get stricter in the internet marketing world, the programs that stand the test of time are the ones that you want to stay with. And this is one of them. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back here and read off the little charts, the little lists that I had, and then I'm going to zoom in one by one. And then I'm also going to break it down again in the description of this video. Hopefully it's not too lengthy, and hopefully you can stay along for the journey. All right, so let's begin. So, how to make $200 a day with internet marketing, specifically one specific program. Very easy to do. So it's a referral agent program, and yes, you will have to activate and register on the link, and when you do so, obviously, as I am an affiliate, I'm going to get a commission for it. But that's the whole point of this. That's the whole point of this concept, the whole point of why you want to get in, because you can't use it to make money if it's not active, right? And you need to be referred. So here we go. First you want to do is sign up. So you can go to bit.ly part-time agent jobs. I'll put the link down below and I'll zoom in afterwards. It's just a quick short link so that you can get there, because the referral links are usually pretty long. And so the first step is you want to sign up. Now, before you sign up, make sure that you create a brand new Gmail account. Okay? And you're going to use this Gmail account for your new business. Why? Because you don't want to mix it up with your personal stuff. It can get crazy with all the emails that you're going to get in once you create this, okay? Plus, you want to treat it like a part-time job. You want to treat it professional. So, create a brand new Gmail account, call it whatever you want, and then you're going to go ahead and sign up on this link. Now, another important thing to remember is you're going to use this new Gmail account for everything, for the whole purpose of this whole entire business, and anytime you promote it. Anytime you sign up for something, you use this new Gmail account, okay? Very, very important. So, you're going to go ahead and create your new Gmail account. You're going to use that Gmail account to sign up at this link. Then you're going to activate it. So how do you activate it? When you go to that link, it's really easy. It's going to have you fill out your name, your address, all that good information. It's going to say that you're not active yet, meaning you can't use your link to promote it to make money, because you have to practice what you preach, right? You're not going to talk about the latest hair product if you've never used it yourself. I mean, you could, but how valid is that, right? So you want to practice what you preach. So the only way to activate this link is to, the easiest way I would say is to complete 3 or 4 offers. Now, you can stay there and go through all the offers and find the ones that are the lowest dollar amounts or the ones that are free, but you're going to end up wasting a lot of time, and you're going to end up probably getting discouraged, right? So I've picked 4 specific offers that I want you to use on this specific link, and there's a reason for it. There's a method to my madness, because these 4 offers are something that you're going to use later on, okay? So they're going to be very beneficial. They're not just offers to get through the program, they're offers that you're going to use for something else in long term, okay? So keep that in mind. All right, so the 4 offers that I want you to use to complete on this specific link are as follows. You're going to go ahead and click on the LifeLock offer. It's worth 75 points. You need to get 100 points in order to activate your link. So again, don't waste your time looking through all the offers. I picked these for a reason. Follow my guide. It'll make the process a lot simpler, and then it'll make sense in the end. Now, the reason why I chose to pick LifeLock is because it prevents identity theft, and it gives you credit card monitoring. So it's a 2-for-1, and you're going to need this throughout the entire of your life anyways, because there's a lot of hackers out there, and it's a very valuable tool. Now, it is going to cost you $8.99, okay, for 30 days. Next one you're going to use is TransUnion. TransUnion, well, of course, because the credit monitoring doesn't always give you all 3. Most of the time it gives you Experian and Equifax. So you want to have the third one, which is TransUnion. And the good thing is, when you have a TransUnion or a direct subscription to the credit company itself, you're going to get the most valid FICO score. Sometimes when you go to creditkarma.com or those free ones, it doesn't really give you the true score. So it's better to go direct. So anyways, you're going to go sign up for the TransUnion offer. That one costs $9.99 per month, okay? That one's worth 15 points. Next one, if you don't already have it, you're going to sign up for Hulu. And again, you're going to use that new Gmail account. Hulu costs $5.99. And why did I pick Hulu? Because you want to get rid of your cable bill, right? So, now with YouTube and YouTube Red and all this other stuff, you don't have to pay hundreds of dollars for a cable bill anymore. You have things like Netflix and Hulu and YouTube that give you free programming. So why not, save money on that, right? You want to be more productive anyways, not to be so much of a couch potato. But Hulu is a great, a broadcasting company to have. So $5.99, worth 5 points. Last one is Fiverr. I'm sure by now you've heard of Fiverr. If not, I don't know where you've been. But Fiverr, it only costs $5 to join, and it's worth 5 points. And why you want to use Fiverr is because you can also make money out of Fiverr as a side part-time job. I say part-time with everything because we don't want you to quit your day job. We want you to test things first before you go full in. And Fiverr is a great way for you to use your talents and abilities and to promote your services. On Fiverr, I'm going to have a separate video on Fiverr alone, but just know it's another avenue of making money, okay? So, quick recap, you're going to choose those specific 4. Now, if you already have Hulu, you're going to pick another one that's worth 5 points. The name of the game is to get 100 points to activate your link. Now, there is a quicker way. You could do it with only 3 offers. The only thing, it's going to cost you a little bit more because of the 3 specific offers that I can recommend, have more investment. But if you stick to these 4 right here, then it's only going to cost you $31 for those 4 offers. Now, they're free trials, right? So you get to keep them for 30 days, and you want to keep them for 30 days. Do not cancel them before them, because what happens is it'll revoke your points, and all that hard work you did is for nothing. Then you can't use your link to promote it, and you can't make money. So don't do that to yourself. Again, you're in this for the long haul. These offers, you can use them for other things. And so the whole intention of this is to keep them. Keep them, promote it, live it, breathe it, okay? And teach others. So, LifeLock, identity theft, TransUnion for credit report monitoring, Hulu, get rid of your cable bill, and Fiverr, so you can use it as another side hustle, another way of making money, okay? All these add up to 100 points, okay? Next, once you do this, and it takes a few hours, it just depends on when they hear back from the companies that you signed up, you will get those points redeemed, and then your link will be activated, and you'll get a nice little welcoming thing that says congratulations, you're now active, and now you can use your link to promote it. And that's super exciting, because once your link is activated, now you can start making money. Now this link specifically, the reason I chose it is because it pays you $100 per referral. That's right. So even though you might have invested $31 to get your link activated, it only takes one person to get that money back and then some. Okay? So follow the model here. Stick with me, guys. It all makes sense in the end. Okay, now there are terms to this, right? Everything, there's rules. So you got to follow the rules to play the game. So you got to be a new customer. So that's where the whole new Gmail comes into play. So if you try to sign up with a Gmail that you've already used, so say for Hulu or Fiverr, or if you try to use a Gmail account that is not associated with the one you used to sign up on this link, then they can't find you. You're not going to get the points credited. You defeated the purpose, right? So be smart, create the Gmail first, use it to sign up on this link, use it for all your offers, okay? Keep it consistent, keep it simple, and then repeat the process, okay? You cannot use prepaid cards for any of those offers, okay? It has to be a legitimate credit card or a debit card that has a Visa, MasterCard logo, okay? The whole point of this is they're looking for new customers. You are a referral agent, you're bringing new business, you have to model the way and practice what you preach. So you have to be a new customer, and you want to stick it out for those 30 days. I'm telling you, these four in specific, you want to keep longer than that, but at least for 30 days. Because if you cancel before then, you lose your ability to promote this. You can cancel after the 30 days, and it's fine. But again, the whole point is to try to keep this for the future and later on. Okay, now when you're starting this out, you know, I recommend that you create a new Facebook page. Again, to keep things separate from your personal life. You create a Twitter, all the social media things, right? Because this is the best way to promote it. So now you have your link activated. Now you have these new offers that you're going to use later on, and now it's time for the fun part. Now it's time to practice what you preach, promote what you've used, and the easiest way to go about it, guys, is to start promoting and talking about the things you just signed up for. So when I first started, that's what I did. I literally was so excited to shop, you know, to like go through these offers and shop, and now this program has several different links that you can use. I think they have about 15. I have all of them. So I literally I went through so many offers you could think of, but I'm not asking you to do that because you don't have to do that. The smartest thing to do when you sign up with this program is to sign up with an easy link, which is one that only requires one offer, so it's easier to have people do it and activate the link, and then the one that's more lucrative, like this 100 here that pays $100 per referral. Yes, it takes 4 offers to activate it, but you know, once you get it rolling, it's a higher payout, it's more payout, and that's the whole point of $200 a day. Because you know, if you use the easier link, which is only the one offer, it pays you $20. So that means you need to find 10 people to try one offer. It's a lot easier to find 2 people to try, you know, the 4 offers, okay? So, but, you know, I'll put both below because you can do easy, you can do hard, you can do them both. I'm speaking about this one because it's more rewarding, and it's the one that gives you $200 daily because it's very easy to find 2 people a day. And also, how else can you market? Well, how did you find me? On YouTube. YouTube, I mean, if you're not on YouTube, I don't know where you've been. You're in the dinosaur ages, because this is the way of the world now. Everyone speaks their knowledge on YouTube, and this is like free courses. I mean, you can self-teach yourself anything just by simply Googling on YouTube the thing that you want to learn. So it's amazing, okay, the outreach of YouTube. So what I would do, going back to these offers that I'm recommending you to sign up for, is as you go through these, talk them up, you know, talk them up and say, hey, you know, I've used TransUnion for monitoring my credit, and this is how I signed up for it. Go through the free offer and promote your link. Hey, you know, I have Fiverr, and you know, it's a side hustle. This is how I went about it. Sign up here, promote your link. So, you know what I mean? You can start with literally just speaking your truth, speaking about the offers that you've your personal testimony, okay? There's multiple ways of how you can promote this, but the best way is with like real testimony and passion, right? So talk about what you know, because that way it flows a lot more natural, it's a lot more easier, and you're speaking the truth, so you know, you're gonna have validation, and that's what you want, okay? Now let's see, how much does it pay out? We just discussed that, which is, like I said, if you use this link here, it's going to pay you $100 per referral, which is 2 people is all it takes to get you $200 a day. If you use the easy link, which is only the one offer, then you need to find 10 people to get you the $200 a day. But this is just one program. Now, you're gonna have to click on the link for the Fiverr video next if you want to see how you can make $200 a day using Fiverr, and so on and so forth, or you can just be an internet marketer. Now, I have written books, but that's on another channel. If you want to connect with me, go ahead and send me an email, instantrewardschashout@gmail.com. You can also go to the same website to get more affiliate marketing and internet marketing information. But why don't you give this a try? It's very easy to do. Like I said, 2 people a day, and there's billions of people in the galaxy, right? And YouTube will reach out most of them. And you got nothing to lose if you do it part-time, right? Do it an hour a day. Start there. And then once you see that it's very easy to do and you actually have fun doing it as well and the money's coming in, you're probably going to look at it a little bit more seriously. Now, how do you get paid? You can get paid by check, personal check, or you can get paid by PayPal. So make sure that you get a PayPal account right away as well. When you create your new Gmail account, use that same Gmail account to create your PayPal. Just keep it all unison, keep it all simple, all consistent. And that's it, guys. So this program, again, has been around for over 10 years. It's still effective today. If you do exactly what I tell you and you sign up and you pick those exact 4 offers, you're going to activate your link right away. And then you're going to be able to make $200 a day or easily more using this one platform. And that's just one out of a multitude of ways to make $200 a day and to work from home as an affiliate marketer and so on and so forth. If you want to hear more, you gotta like and subscribe, and you gotta shoot me an email. Let me know what it is that you'd like me to make the next video about. Okay? Catch you on the next one. Take care, guys.